Good evening, everybody. It's Ricardo Villanueva here at Garden Shelter Nissan. I wanted to share something with you. I'm on a 2023 Rogue. I wanted to talk about one special feature that's auto hold. So on the Rogue, it's right on the center. I'm actually on the SB model, but anyway, this is auto hold is basically a brake. Basically, so you're in a lot of traffic and you got that stop and go, and you get tired of moving your leg or your foot left and basically off and on the pedal, the brake pedal. With this one here, so actually you probably move a couple of feet and you got to stop again, and again another 4 feet, 5 feet, whatever, in that heavy traffic. Well, with this button here, you'll turn that on. Basically, as you can see, it shows that it's on, and also will show you on the screen. Obviously, it won't show us on this screen because we're actually here on a standing still or parked. What this does is basically, when you come to a complete stop, it will hold the vehicle there. You can actually take your foot or your off the pedal, and it will hold the vehicle. Now, to release it, the next time is basically just step on the gas again, and move however much you need to move, hit the brakes again, and come to a complete stop. You can take your foot off the pedal and it will actually hold the vehicle. So it's called auto hold. Again, it's a simple button. To turn it on, you push, turn it off, it's that way. Anyway, again, there's other features that I will be bringing out later. I believe, again, we try to make the video as short as we can. But if you have any questions, please call me 254-760-4948. Thank you, guys.